Copying a page in Weebly creates an exact replica with all elements, layouts, and content, ideal for testing variations, backups, or rapid site expansion. It's done via the Pages menu. No apps needed. Works on free and paid plans. Process takes seconds. Steps: log into Weebly, select your site, click Pages, left sidebar. Hover over the page to copy, for example, About Us. Click the gear icon, Settings, or 3 dots. Select Duplicate or Copy Page in older interfaces. Name the new page, for example, About Us. Copy. Choose Parent folder, if nested. Click Save or Create. The duplicate appears below the original in the Pages list. Mobile app, tap site, Pages, long press page, duplicate, name, save. Tips: edit the copy. Click Edit to tweak without affecting the original. Blog or shop pages. Duplicates index but not individual posts or products. Re-add manually. SEO. Update titles and descriptions on copies to avoid duplicates. Set to no index if unpublished. Bulk. Duplicate entire site via dashboard. Site name, duplicate site, progress bar shows, excludes blog posts. Limitations: can't copy single elements across sites. Rebuild or export zip archive.